Technology has taken man away from nature. In the olden times, man was closer to nature. Today, we live in cities and towns, a mixture of concrete, asphalt, and electricity. The din and constantly rattling sounds of cars and equipment, the blowing of smoke from cars, chimneys, factories, a constantly heated cauldron. Yet, if we were to step back, welcome to Vuli Falls.
Nestling within the Akumache-Kwiapem mountain range, the Vuli Falls is a sight to behold. Not before a 30-45 minutes walk, however.
Here is Vuli, and behind me is the footpath to the waterfall. And it takes about 45 minutes to get to the waterfall through a low-level ground in a forest. And we're going to cross about 9 bridges. Follow me, we go.
The walk itself is an invigorating exercise. The forest sounds, singing birds, chirping insects, and that eerie quiet. The trail continues through the woods and mountainside and constantly flowing water. Some of the sights are breathtaking.
So many beautiful sights. This is the second bridge to the waterfall, but the first river from the waterfall.
As you cross bridge after bridge, the microclimate becomes cooler. The sound of the flowing stream, which is constantly in the background, increases in tempo. The closer you get to the fall, the more you feel its real and yet mystical presence. It's an exciting feeling. Then you start seeing glimpses of it, until suddenly it is full in effect. Just before you reach the foot of the mountain holding the falls, however, you're greeted by the bats. The first sighting is surreal. It's as if you're in a different world. There's a total feeling of calm, peace and harmony.
We are now at the fall, and the name of the water is again Agumacha, which comes from the very top of the upper. So this is not the end of it. So on top of the upper, it comes underground as a spring. It is the highest in West Africa that never dries up.
place worth a visit.
When the seasons are ripe to set ablaze the fires of our lives,